Okay guys, so your iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus is having an issue where basically it's a black screen. You know the phone still works because you can hear it vibrate or you can hear it when somebody calls you. I'm going to show you several steps what you can do to possibly get this phone up, okay? Now this here I'm using is an iPhone 6. It's working right now and I'll show you exactly what I did to get this back on. Basically what you want to do is this. You want to go ahead and hold down the power button and the home button simultaneously, okay? I'm gonna go, ready, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna hold these two buttons down, pretend that the phone is still black, okay? I'm gonna continue to hold this down until you see the Apple logo pop up. There's the Apple logo. Now what I'll do is simply let go, and hopefully this will get your phone up and running. Now if this doesn't, I'm gonna show you another step. Give this a second to boot up here. Okay. Now the other way, let's pretend my screen is black again. And this way, and this time what we're going to do is we're going to hold down the power button for 3 seconds and continually to hold it down. And then I'm going to press the home button and I'm going to hold that down as well, okay? So 3 seconds for the power button first, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now hold down the home button and continually to hold it down. So I'm holding both buttons now still. And then once you see the Apple logo, just let it go through the boot process and your phone should be up. Now if this doesn't work, I'll show you the next possible option. Okay, now the third step, which you can possibly do now, it's possible that if you dropped your phone, that your backlight display cable maybe got dislodged in the back. So what you can do, rather than opening your phone, before you open your phone, what you can do is you can press firmly. Press right here, right by the camera and the flashlight here. Just keep pressing down like really hard right here. And hopefully, once you do that, your phone will be up and running as well. Now, if this last step didn't work for you, look on the link on the bottom of the description here, and I'll post it where another YouTuber actually, where he dismantled his phone. It was really easy. He just took this part, unscrewed the 2 screws down here, popped this up, and basically he pushed down a plate that was right here. And he heard like a little snap and his phone went back on. So that's pretty much it. Any questions or anything, comment below. If any of these steps work for you, please comment if it was option number 1, 2, or 3. All right, thanks. Bye.